Nicht fotografieren mit der Finger.
Ja.
Hello, welcome to our project. We have a full automatically grill station. You can choose between different meals like sausages, steaks and vegetable bits. We choose like a steak, and you can choose between browning degree. If you want a bright steak or a dark, we take a dark steak and start the process. The linear units pick up the grill roast with the meat, and put it in the grill bowl, in this grill bowl of the steaks. We can see here the process, the running. You can see the operation runs now, and for a dark steak we have 90 grad degrees. The grill bowl is closed, and we have a temperature sensor which measures the temperature inside of the steak. If the temperature is right, 90 degrees, the linear units pick up the steak out of the grill bowl. Now we have one process running here. Fried sausage occupied the grill bowl, and you can parallel cooking vegetable bits, because this grill bowl is free. Now the sausages are cooking. We have a temperature about 81 grad degree. About 90 grad we have dark sausages. At 90 grad degrees they are finished in a few minutes. We have a menu because for a user like this, and we have for the service personal menu. For a service menu where you can choose and drive each linear unit separate and each sensor separate and a grill bowl. In the manual mode we have the linear units with the initiator for the position from the linear units. You can move it manually, and you can see all the time the temperatures of all three stations. Now are the sausages ready, and the linear units pick up them out. You can drive the sensors, retract and extract the sensors, and you can choose between the stations. We have the first station. Now we see all initiators. Now the sensor drive out and the grill bowl opened, and you can try our sausages. In the stations you can every time look the temperatures and the status of the facility.
How do you handle a time collision between two good
We have no
sausages in the steak?
The time collisions.
If both are ready at the same time, what happens?
First time is the meal is what first finished. They put out the first.
And if it's 1 second difference next to one, what happens with the others? Do you reduce the temperature?
Wenn sie gleichzeitig fertig werden. Nein, aber wenn sie kurz gleichzeitig. Well, this is for the second.
You order anyhow dark. How dark it is another way.
I would say the steak has priority.
Now you can try. Have you any questions?
Maybe the recipe is a little bit wrong, but it's not an issue. You don't need native inside.
How do you measure the temperature inside?
How we here? This is a temperature sensor, and camera element type K. It moves into the food inside. You can see it on the sausage. It's a little bit hole where the sensor is.
Thank you very much.
Was sagt denn die Lebensmittelaufsicht?
Das ist alles Lebensmittel.
Perfect.
Das ist Bestehung der Jury, gibt ja